This guided visualization is designed to help someone to pendulate between the experience of shame in the body and the experience of safety in the body. Pendulation is a concept from somatic experiencing that involves moving between two different states, one of discomfort. For example, shame can be very uncomfortable in the body, and a state of safety. By moving between both states, it allows our nervous system to not only process and release any stuck emotions, but it also builds the capacity to be able to be with strong, uncomfortable emotions in the body. This technique allows you to avoid becoming overwhelmed when strong emotions come up, and it also helps you to create a sense of balance within. Please remember to not listen to this guided visualization if you're driving your car, if you're operating machinery, or if you're doing anything that requires your attention. Let's begin. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position, with your body supported and your feet resting on the floor, or your legs gently stretched out if you prefer. If it feels right, you can close your eyes and begin taking a few deep, comfortable breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you settle into your body, bring your attention to the sensations beneath you. Feel the weight of your body pressing into the surface you're resting on. Feel the earth or floor supporting you, holding you securely. With each breath, notice how the support beneath you feels. Notice that it feels solid and dependable. Imagine that the ground beneath you is like a gentle, soft cushion that cradles you, helping you to feel grounded and safe. Now take a moment to check in with your body and notice where you feel a sense of comfort or ease. Perhaps there's a place where you feel warmth, lightness, expansion, stillness, or even a slight tingling sensation. This is your body's way of signaling safety. Anytime our body is not bracing, when it is relaxed, expansive, still, or neutral, this is your body's way of letting you know that it feels safe. So stay with the sensation or the sense of neutrality for a few moments. Breathing deeply and slowly. And giving your body permission to relax even further. If any tension or discomfort arises, gently bring your focus back to the feeling of support beneath you. And now that we've allowed our body to be in the sensation of safety, Let's introduce the sensation of shame. So in your mind's eye, gently bring your attention to the thought of anything that has happened recently that caused you to feel shame. Which is also intertwined with the belief, I am bad, I am unlovable, I am worthless, there's something wrong with me. If you're aware of any specific moment or memory tied to this emotion, allow it to surface. You don't need to relive it in its entirety. Just allow yourself to notice where in your body the sensation comes up. It might feel like tightness, heat, a heavy sensation, or a collapsing feeling somewhere in your chest, stomach, or throat. Allow yourself to notice it without judgment. Gently observing the sensation of shame, recognizing it as a temporary emotion that is simply moving through your body, and it is not something that defines you. And now let's pendulate back to safety. So take a nice deep breath in, allowing your belly to expand, and gently bring your focus back to where you noticed the sensations of safety in your body. You can also, once again, give your attention to the support beneath you, the gentle ground that holds you. Allow the sensation of being grounded to spread through your body, softening any edges or tension that may have arisen when you felt shame. You can picture your breath flowing in and out like a wave, carrying you back to a place of comfort and steadiness with each inhale and with each exhale. And now we're going to pendulate between the two. Between the sensation of shame and the sensation of safety. So allow yourself to gently move between the two sensations, between the shame and the safety. So as you inhale, notice the sensation of shame again. Perhaps it's in your chest, your stomach, or your throat. Let the sensation be present just for a moment, so that with your next exhale, you move back to the sensation of safety. Really allowing yourself to feel the support beneath you once more, grounding you, offering reassurance. Inhaling and allowing yourself to go back to the sensation of shame, and exhaling and allowing yourself to go to the areas in your body that hold safety. In your mind's eye, you might imagine moving between two spaces, one that feels heavy, tight, or uncomfortable, which represents the shame, and one that feels light, soothing, and supportive. With each cycle of breath, move between these two sensations. Allowing your nervous system to process the emotional shift. Remember, you're not staying in one place too long, but rather gently oscillating between these two states, teaching your body that it's possible to experience both sensations and that you are safe even as you feel discomfort. As you continue this gentle pendulation, begin to allow the feeling of safety to expand in your body. You can imagine this safety radiating outward, as if it's flowing through your limbs, your chest, your head, and your heart. Notice any areas that may still feel a bit tight or tense. You don't need to force anything. Just allow the sensation of safety to gradually soothe these places like a gentle wave washing over them. Now take a few more deep breaths, feeling the full support of the ground beneath you and the safety within your body. Safety, once again, is an area in your body that is not bracing, but rather feels still, neutral, grounded, and okay. Notice that you have the capacity to experience both shame and safety. So by allowing yourself to pendulate, you're teaching your body a new way of being with both emotions. Whenever you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Stretch gently like a cat, rotating your wrists and your ankles. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. Take a moment to check in with yourself. How do you feel now compared to when you began? What sensations are present in your body right now? As you finish this practice, repeat to yourself, silently or out loud, I am safe. I can move through emotions, and I trust my body to guide me. Remember, pendulating between the two sensations of shame and safety is a practice that can be used to build resilience in the nervous system and to help release stuck emotions. With time and practice, you may find it easier and easier to move between these sensations and to experience a deeper sense of self-compassion.